Here's a video demo of the new Viewtron 180-degree camera. CCTV Camera Pros installed one of these 180-degree IP cameras on the front of our building to monitor our parking lot. You can see the ultra-wide angle of view that this 180 security camera provides. Right now, I'm on vacation in Colorado, and I'm accessing the Viewtron NVR at our office remotely over the internet using the Viewtron VMS software for Mac. The 180 camera is hardwired to one of the NVR PoE ports using Cat6 network cable. I asked Greg to walk outside for this demo while I recorded the video footage from the Mac software. Here is some additional information about this 180-degree camera. It has two 5-megapixel lenses that are stitched together to make a single seamless 8-megapixel IP camera. It only uses one of the PoE ports on a Viewtron NVR. The mount of this camera allows it to be ceiling or wall mounted. The camera has built-in AI software that supports people detection, vehicle detection, and face recognition. It also has a built-in speaker and microphone that could be used for audio surveillance recording and two-way communication from the mobile app. The white LEDs provide spotlight camera functionality that can automatically turn on when white light levels are low or when intrusion is detected. This camera is enclosed in an IP67 weatherproof rated housing. It is the best 180-degree outdoor security camera that we supply. The mobile app for iPhone and Android allow you to monitor your 180 camera from remotely over the internet. This IP camera is NDAA compliant so that it can be used for government applications. To learn more about the Viewtron IP-180-4, please visit www.viewtron.com/180. Thank you for watching.